Alright, so I got one of these brand new Ford F-250 7.3 liter gas. Got the Godzilla engine in it, and I'm doing the first oil change, and I drain the oil out and I changed the filter. Everything was really easy to get at. I thought this was going to be the easiest oil change ever. I go to put the oil back in it. I can't find where you put the oil in. I look everywhere. So I spent 10 minutes going over this thing. Usually it's on this side. This is the passenger side. So the Chevys I got, the oil change is up. The fill is right here. So I'm not kidding. It was 10-15 minutes. I looked everywhere. I was thinking I got to put the oil back into the dipstick tube. I got online. I found a picture of the engine on the internet. It shows that the oil, there's an oil cap here at the end of the coil packs. Well, I don't have a fill cap here on mine. I didn't want to break this thing, pulling it out to see if that's the oil goes in. So I came over here for the 10th time, and now that I know where it is, it's pretty obvious right here. But it took me forever to locate this thing, and look at the angle that it's at. I don't know what they were thinking. So there's an opportunity here for somebody with a 3D printer. You see this? Somebody wants to 3D print something with this thread, so you can put it in, turn a quarter turn, and have it come up vertically, so you can pour the oil in. I'm a buyer. I'm buying one. Somebody start 3D printing these things. This is a joke. And you can even leave it in there. Put the cap back in like this and leave it in there all the time. I can't believe Ford did this. I'm like, what a joke. Alright.